Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be learning about the topic Introduction to Computer Networks. So we'll be covering three topics in this video. First, understanding the network. Second, network classification by the geography. Third, network architecture. What is a network? A network is a communication system which supports many users. A network is an interconnection of two or more stations that wish to communicate. So basically, there are two types of networks. First, human network, and second, computer network. Human network is a network that connects two or more human beings and bring them to a network so they share their thoughts, knowledge, things, etc. with each other. A computer network is defined as the interconnection of two or more computers. It is done to enable the computer to communicate and share available resources. The connection between computers can be done via cabling, most commonly the Ethernet cable, or wireless through radio waves. Applications of computer network. Sharing of resources such as printers, sharing of expensive softwares and database, communication from one computer to another computer, use of emails and instant message application, access to the World Wide Web, digital videos, digital audios, and etc. So these were some of the applications of computer network. So here are some of the benefits of computer network. Computer network helps in improve communication. It helps in getting advice and support, get fresh ideas, sharing of file, data, software or information, and also strengthen business communication. So now we will be seeing about the classification of network area by their geography. The network is classified into four types: PAN, LAN, WAN, and MAN. PAN is Personal Area Network. PAN is a computer network organized around an individual person. It generally consists of a mobile, computer, or cell phone, or a personal digital assistant. PAN enables the communication between these devices. So here are some of the advantages of PAN network. PAN network is strictly restricted to a small area, and PAN networks are relatively secure and safe. LAN is Local Area Network. LANs were developed in 1960s for the use of colleges, universities and research facilities, primarily to connect one computer to another. LAN comprises of cables across points, switches, routers and other computer networks that enable devices to connect internally. In LAN, all machines are connected to a single cable. LAN is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area such as an office, factory, or a group of buildings. Exchange of information and sharing of resources becomes easy because of LAN. WAN is Wide Area Network. Most WAN networks are used to transfer large blocks of data between its users. It is cheaper and more efficient to use the phone network for the link. When network spans over a large distance or when the computers to be connected to each other are at widely separated locations, a local area network cannot be used. So, a wide area network is installed. The communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines, satellite links, and limited channels. So here are some of the advantages of wide area network. Wide area network helps to cover a large geographical area, contains devices like phone, laptops, tablets, etc. So here are the disadvantages of wide area network. Wide area network offers low security compared to other networks. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It is between LAN and WAN technology that covers the entire city. It uses similar technology as LAN, but it can be a single network such as a cable TV network of LAN, a large network so that the resources can be short LAN to LAN as well as device to device. MAN is designed for the customers who need a high speed connectivity. It is hard to design and maintain a MAN. Conclusion. So in this video we have seen what is a network, what are the different types of network and its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video was useful.